Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to be doing some meal prep using the Luvele Fresh vacuum canisters. I'm going to do a butter chicken and portion that out with a little bit of rice. Vacuum seal those so that they're ready to enjoy over the week. The first thing I'm going to do is marinate the chicken, and I'm going to do that in the large Luvele Fresh vacuum canister. Obviously, you can do it in a normal glass bowl as well. Now this recipe has a lot of ingredients in it, as you can see in front of me here, but all of those have a job to do. They really come together to create a nice rich and flavorful outcome. It may seem like a lot of work, but trust me, it's worth it. Also, a couple of weeks ago, we posted a video about how to make your own garam masala using the Luvele Vibe blender. We're going to use that in this recipe today because it's perfect for this. Of course, you could use a store-bought garam masala as well. But if you want to check out that video and you're interested in making your own garam masala, then we've just linked that here for you to check out. Start by cutting 1 kilo of chicken thigh into thick pieces. You can remove a little bit of fat if you like. Add the chicken to your large glass container, and then you can add the marinade ingredients. Add half a cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 3 cloves of crushed garlic, the juice of half a lime or lemon, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of homemade garam masala, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all together and refrigerate for at least an hour, and overnight is even better. If you're using the vacuum canister, then also using the hand pump to remove excess air will help in assisting the marinating process. The chicken's done marinating, and so now it's time to start cooking. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat and add a tablespoon of ghee. Cook the chicken in batches and then set aside while you make the sauce. To make the sauce, melt 2 tablespoons of ghee in the same pan that you cooked the chicken. Add the onion, garlic, ginger, and cashews and cook for 5 minutes or until a golden brown color. Add a 400-gram tin of diced tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 to 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Then add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 2 teaspoons of homemade garam masala. Bring to a boil and then reduce the heat to simmer for around 5 to 10 minutes. Transfer the sauce into the stainless steel Vibe blender jug and secure the lid. Then blend on soup mode for around 30 seconds. You may need to stop and scrape down the sides. Pour the pureed sauce back into the same pan. To get any leftover puree from around the blender blades, you could add 1/3 of a cup of water to the blender jug. Place the lid back on and blend on soup mode again for around 10 seconds, and then add this to the pan. Bring the tomato puree to a medium heat over the stovetop. Stir in the cream and add the chicken back to the pan. Simmer for around 10 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked through. Have a taste test and check for seasoning. Adjust it to your liking. The butter chicken is looking and smelling amazing now, and I'm going to fight temptation and I am going to portion it out into these containers now. I've got some basmati rice. I'm going to portion that out as well. We'll let it cool in the containers and then we'll vacuum seal them. So I have 5 really good sized portions here of this butter chicken, which is just so rich and velvety. You're gonna love this one. We've got 1 for now and 4 for later. What more could you ask for? Give this one a go for yourself at home and let us know what you think in the comment section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes, more meal prep and other ways to use your appliances at home. If you enjoyed this video today, then go ahead and give it a like for us. We'll be back really soon with some more meal prep ideas and other great healthy recipes.